Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to buy Midjourney. So to buy and start using Midjourney, follow these steps. So visit the Midjourney website and go to Midjourney official website. Then sign in, logged in. Then if you are new, click on sign up and create an account using the Discord credential. And if you already have an account, choose a subscription plan. The Midjourney offer various subscription plans such as Basic, Standard, Pro, and Mega. So each plan has different subscriber and image generation. After that, select the plan that best suits your need, then enter your payment detail and confirm the purchase. Midjourney accept major payment method. And after that, join the Midjourney Discord server if you haven't already. Then use the image prompt in the server to start creating image generated app. And that's how to buy Midjourney. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.